AI is no longer experimental. It's already running in production across teams, platforms, and partners. Models have been deployed fast, often faster than ownership and oversight could keep up with. As a result, it's not always clear who owns what, which data is being used, or where risk is accumulating. For AI leaders, the pressure isn't how to accelerate innovation, it's how to stay in control as AI scales. The priority isn't to slow teams down, it's to stabilize what's already live and focus attention where it truly matters. And that starts by connecting to the AI that's already running. Regaining control doesn't start with new rules or new processes. It starts by meeting teams where they already build. Collibra connects directly to the AI platforms already in use. Databricks, Vertex AI, AWS, and Azure. Models are registered as they're created. Pipelines aren't stopped, workflows aren't redesigned. Deep integrations with environments like Azure AI Foundry, Databricks, and MLflow keep teams moving fast, while oversight stays aligned with reality. Models are no longer scattered across tools and teams. They are connected, visible, and ready to be managed. With connectivity established, the focus shifts to ownership and context, turning visibility into understanding. Connectivity alone doesn't create control. Once models are connected, they need context. Who owns them, where they are used, why they exist, and what data they rely on. Collibra supports this through standardized model cards, enriching models with business intent and performance signals from existing AI environments and clarity on the data foundations that shape its behavior. Ownership, purpose, data context, and lifecycle status become explicit. Accountability is no longer assumed. What was once unmanaged or shadow AI becomes AI that can be understood, assessed, authorized, and confidently controlled. This is where integrations turn into knowledge and where control begins to scale. Context creates understanding. Accountability creates control. Once models are contextualized, they move through a clear lifecycle, from assessment and validation to approval and production. Collibra provides a lifecycle tracker where everyone knows their role. Clear sign-offs create commitment, ensuring each step is continuously validated before moving forward. Most models progress without friction, but the moment something goes off track, it becomes visible. This is how AI is managed by exception, so leaders intervene only when action is truly required. Accountability doesn't stop at approval. As models move through the lifecycle, risk and privacy leaders are involved at the right moment, not at the end. Because regulation only becomes disruptive when it's discovered too late. With Collibra, risk and privacy assessments are embedded directly into the AI lifecycle, aligned with standards like NIST and mapped to regulations such as the EU AI Act. Risk avoidance becomes continuous, giving leaders confidence while teams keep moving. Once risk is continuously understood, the focus shifts again. It's no longer about reviewing models one by one. It's about steering the full AI portfolio. Collibra brings models, agents, and use cases into dedicated registries, creating clear reference points across the AI landscape. Models and agents are connected to each other and directly linked to the use cases they support. This makes relationships explicit, where value concentrates, where impact flows, and where attention is needed. Leaders gain a consistent system of record, enabling AI to be managed by exception today and value to be steered tomorrow. AI didn't become complex overnight, and control doesn't come from slowing it down. By connecting to where AI is built, adding knowledge and accountability, embedding risk into the lifecycle, and structuring models, agents, and use cases, you move from reacting to AI sprawl to steering AI with confidence. Teams keep innovating, risk stays understood and controlled. As a head of AI, you regain the ability to decide where to focus, where to invest, and where to scale. That's what it means to take control of AI, by giving it the structure to deliver value at scale.